Welcome back, grade 11s. Let's have a look at what is needed for the area rule. We are given on our formula sheets and we've proved that the area of triangle ABC is equal to a half AB sine C. Now this is no longer in the Cartesian plane with a proof, but this is a free triangle in real life. So in order to use it, what do we need to be given? We need to be given C. We need to be given C. We need to be given little a. And we need to be given little b. So what is very important to note, to use the area rule, we need to be given two sides and an included angle. I call this a squishy angle because it is squished between the two sides. So we need two sides and an included angle. Let's have a look at an obtuse case. Let's give some letters. Let's call this K, L, and M. So grade 11s, if I gave you this side, this angle, and that side, what would be given here? Would be given two sides and an included angle. So what can we do? We can use the area rule to work out the area of triangle KLM. It is no longer like in grade 10 where we needed our perpendicular height. As long as we have two sides and an included angle, we can now use the area rule. So what's important to note here, that in the Cartesian plane, this was based at the origin, but at a free triangle, this over here was my included angle. Included angle. So we have M in standard position. What's missing? Sine. And what other two letters are we missing? We're missing little k and little l. So my area of triangle KLM is given by 1/2 KL sine M. Over here I'm going to give you guys an example of how to work this out. And the example shows that we are given two sides and an included angle. So we are given two sides and an included angle, which means we can work out the area of this triangle without knowing my perpendicular height. We do not need to know that. So, grade 11s, who's in standard position, or in other words, who is my included angle? It is angle A. So let's write down the rule. Area triangle ABC. We've got angle A in standard position, or as I call it, the squishy angle. So sine, what are we missing? We're missing a half. And what are my other two sides? We've got A, so we're missing B and C. You'll notice it will always be all three letters. Let's just do direct substitution. Across from B is little b. Across from C is little c. And there we have all our values. So what do we have there? Little b is 12. Little c is 10. Sine of my included angle which in this case is 125 degrees. And we punch that into our calculator, and that gives us 49.15 units.